Hi guys, this is Auto Tracker here again. This is Abhinav this side, and today we have a special package from Amazon, as you can see here. And I'm going to be unboxing the Oppo Reno 2Z or the Oppo Reno 2Z, whatever you want to call it. And this is a little unboxing video of this phone. It's not a very popular phone. I don't think it sells a lot as much as Samsung's and other OnePlus phones. But let's still have a nice unboxing. So as you can see, this is the box. It's quite tall actually compared to the other regular boxes. So this is the Oppo Reno 2Z, and here are the details of this. This is the price, but this is not the real price. Actually, you can get it for much cheaper. It's got 4 cameras in the rear, so 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel, and the front is 16 megapixel camera. It's a 6.5-inch display, as you can see here, and this is the sky white color. Now the configuration here is 8 GB and 256 GB. Now this phone only comes in this configuration. It doesn't come in any other 6 GB 128 GB config. This is the only config available. And just let's dig in. Let's open the seal, open the box, and let's dig in. Okay, so here we go. Also, something very interesting is that it is made in India. It's not made in China or anywhere else. It's made in India. So a lot of phones these days are being made in India to beat the taxes, and the government is promoting that Make in India program. So even the top end Samsung phones like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Note 10, and the S10, S10 Plus, they're all now made in India, and that's why they get the price advantage. So here we go. The plastic is out, and here we go. Here is the box. So there is some literature here. Okay, there's some literature I can see. This is the literature. This is the phone. Okay, so this is the phone. Come on out. Okay, here's the phone. We're gonna look at the phone later. Let's just look at the box quickly. And okay, this is the case. Okay, this is a nice case. It looks good. Okay, it's a rubber case. It's a rubber case, and it's got Oppo written here. It's got that leather kind of a finish, and it's got this USB-C cover as well. And the camera gap you can see here because the camera pops out. Okay, now this is the USB Type-C cable. Okay, cool. This is a thick cable. It's quite thick compared to the Apple cable, I guess. And here we have the VOOC charger, or what do we call this charger? Okay, Oppo. So this is the fast charger. I think it's got 18-watt fast charging, this charger, and it's supposed to do a very good job, charging the phone to 50-60% in just about 30 minutes. So we're going to put the charger here. We have the cable here, and we have got something just like the earpods of the Apple iPhones. So let's open this. Okay, let's open this and see. Okay, this is a 3.5 mm jack. Can you see this? This is a 3.5 mm jack, so that's good. So that means the phone has a 3.5 mm jack. Now let's put everything away and look at the phone. Now, what is the phone all about? Okay, so here we go. This is my first unboxing, guys, so excuse me if I am a little clumsy. Okay, here we go, and this is the phone. This is the sky white color, guys. This is what I chose to buy instead of the black one, because the black one was a little blue in color. This definitely looks beautiful. You can see this reflection here and this gradient reflection here, and it's taking the reflection of the lights pretty much. And it's got 4 cameras here, and it's got a wide angle, ultra wide angle. It's got a little a little ball here which makes sure that your cameras, when you're resting it on the surface flat, your cameras are not touching the surface of the table, and that avoids scratches. So this is designed for Reno. I don't know what that means. I guess Reno is a place in US somewhere, so is it themed according to that place? I am not sure, but yeah. And we can see, is this a metal frame? This is a metal frame, a lot like the silver iPhone, I guess, a lot like that. And this is looks like a very solid metal frame. This is the speaker, the USB-C, the mic, and the headphone jack. Cool. On top we have the camera and the noise cancellation mic, and I really don't want to even smudge it with my hands. That's the power button, and this is the SIM ejector, SIM tray. Now where is the SIM tool? Hold on, where do we have the SIM tool? Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna switch it on now and see. I hope it has got some charge in its battery. Generally they have about 50%. Okay, here we go. Powered by Android. I have the SIM ejector tool here. Okay, here's the SIM ejector tool. Okay, so here's the phone, guys, and the display is 6.5 inches. It's got what, half the battery. Okay, so English, continue. So I'm going to be configuring this phone. Meanwhile, you guys have a look at it, have a good look at it. This is just the little unboxing, and I'm going to post a review of this phone very soon once I've used it for a few days as my primary device. It's really hard to get out of the iPhone because of the all the the whole ecosystem that iPhone has around it, like the AirPods and my Apple Watch, as you can see. But I'm still going to give it a try because I'm really excited about what the other manufacturers are doing. They're really doing innovating and pushing the boundaries of phone design. The phones are getting weirder. So it's really good that the phones are getting weirder. The sister company of Oppo is Vivo and the OnePlus. So they have got very they have very similar designs. They've got those pop-up cameras, and they have got those big batteries. So really exciting times in the it's really good that phones are getting changing in form factor. There are folding phones, there are pop-up cameras, there's shark fin antennas and whatnot. So you guys have a good look at this. In the next video, what I can do is, since I'm shooting this right now on my iPhone XS, and in the next video what I can do is maybe shoot it with my iPhone 5s, the video, and I can compare it with the iPhone XS in size and the feel and everything, and the colors, basically the screen. And you guys can subscribe and have a look at more videos that are coming your way from my channel. All right, thank you for watching. This is it. Bye for now, guys.